Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How you can check what operating system you have and what version of it as well. If you find this useful, then please consider this as scrubbing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this. You may need to know some more information about your operating system on your computer, so this is how you can go and do it. All you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer. Can go and tap on search. The first way you can view information about your operating system is by typing in about your PC just like this. And if this isn't working for you, I'll show you another way in just a moment. Click there and then you can scroll down and view Windows specifications, and you can go and view your edition, your version, and your Let's Build. And the second way you can go and do this is by typing in system information, just like this has already been suggested to me. And then what you can do is go right to the top of this page here, and you can see your OS name, the version, and the build. So there we go, guys. There are two different ways. If you found this useful, then please consider leaving a like.